Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a clipping mask with a lot of shapes. So I'm just going to create this shape, and I'm also just going to run out the edges. You can basically use any shape you want here. And then I am going to make another one here on the right. You can obviously make more, but I'm just going to do 3 so it doesn't take a long time. So even though you've grouped it, I know you cannot just make a clipping mask here. So let's group and select all and then make clipping mask. It's not going to work. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to ungroup it, select everything, go to Windows, go to Pathfinder, select this icon, and make compound shape. Then you're going to select all, right click, make clipping mask, and voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.